In this video, what I want to do is run through how to do some basic automation and editing on audio files. You sometimes are asked these questions, and this is just an introductory about how you can use automation on audio. So what I'm going to do is this. In the first instance, I'm going to open up my automation. So this button here in the upper right hand corner will open up all automation. Once you've done that, whatever you push or click onto on an effect, or in this case, in this little box up here, if I now click on this this volume, for example, what I can do is I can see how this red line will open up. And if I move this control, just notice how this red line will go up and down. This is the first step within automation. So what I'm going to do is this, is at the very end of this track, I would like to fade out this volume. So I'm going to put in one breakpoint here, and I'm going to put one breakpoint at the end, and I'm just going to drag that last breakpoint down. Notice how what this will do is it will automate the volume going from this value, this value, all the way down to this value here. So at the end of this, let me just mute this. At the end of this, what will happen is if you look at this volume here, you can see that the volume is going down. And this is automation. I'll do the exact same thing now with panning. So notice how that I'm still in automation and I can still see my, my red line, which is my volume. If I now click on this C, notice how that red line will disappear. It's still there, it's just being hidden. So if I want to go back to that, I can just highlight that volume. But in this case, I'm going to do my center. Same thing goes. Let's just hypothetically say that they want you to pan one area to the right or to the left. I'm going to insert a breakpoint and another breakpoint, and I'm just going to move this up and down. And what you can see now is that this breakpoint is going to move from the center here all the way down to my left and then back up to my center. And you can keep adding as many breakpoints as you want to. One other thing that I want to mention is that you can automate most things in here. So this is a send, this is also a send. You can automate this mute, which is on and off. Anything virtually that you can have an effect and a processor, anything can be automated at all. The final thing that I want to go over is this. If I want to edit anything in this track, so for example, if you listen to this individual track, you'll notice that there's a lot of noise here. If Edexcel asks you to get rid of this noise, what you can do is you can just highlight the area that you want to get rid of and simply backspace or delete, just like that. And virtually that you've taken out now this noise. So the two things in this video are editing audio files in a very, very basic way, and also using automation in this situation where you're going to automate either volume or you're going to automate panning. Let me know if there's any questions.